Hi, Raymond Whittaker from VivaMk. Just got a small delivery, well, just come, so I'm just going to unbox it. Let's see what's inside. So I'm just going to open up the box. So we've got the delivery sheet, and looks like we've got some Christmas stuff. We've got 20 luxury gift tags. Got some Christmas cards. We got slug repellent. We've got some jewellery cleaner. We've got some eco-friendly Bloom laundry detergent, linen fresh. So we got a lion-shaped money box with moving face. And we've got just a little bit of makeup, I think. So we'll just open this up, see what's inside. So we got some volume length mascara, and we got some Beauty UK long lash twist eyeliner, colour grey, and we got some Beauty UK nail hardener. So this is like a personalised moving lion's face. So you've got the personalisation there. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. Okay, bye.